Hey everyone! Want to create a hero section like the one you just saw? Follow these simple steps in Elementor, and you'll have it ready in no time. Let's get started. Okay, so first we need to get the images that we're going to use. I want images from FreePix, but you can get from Pixabay or Pixels too. I use these two images, but I'll still show you how to do it. So now, we need to resize the images to the same size. Let's head over to Canva. We also need to remove the background of the image here. Now, insert image to the container. Add child container. Add heading. Then call to action button. Let's duplicate heading. Justify content center. We need to adjust child container. You can see there's a gap here. We need to fix this gap. Let's try to remove padding. There's still a gap, but don't worry. I'll fix it now. Now, let's add the background image. For the background, set the position to center, choose no repeat, and set the display size to cover. We need to change text color. Now, let's add a background overlay. Select gradient and adjust. The photo of the woman has sunlight coming from the right side, so I'm trying to keep the brightness a bit higher on the right side. This is a standard hero section we've created. Let's see how it looks. It looks fine to me, but I have something more interesting. Let me duplicate it. We don't need this image for now. Search for image carousel. Then add 2, 3, or more images you want. I'm selecting 2 for now. Make image resolution to full. And slideshow select 1. Remove arrows. Change it to fade. We're done. Let's see how it looks. You can see the image transition isn't working. That's because the transition is paused on hover. Let's adjust some other settings. Turn off paused on hover. See, now it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, drop your questions in the comments, and I might make a video answering them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.